Welcome back. Leaders of Zones A and B, Arnett Gardens, and defending champions Fraser's Whip will be looking to repeat first-round victories over Real Mona and Los Perfectos when the return leg matches in the Jamaica Women's Premier League kicks off on Saturday at 4 venues.
Unbeaten Zone A front-runners Arnett Gardens welcomed newcomers Real Mona to the Jamaica Women's Premier League with a 5-1 flogging on the opening day. Since then, the Junglists have recorded 3 other wins and a draw, ending the first round unbeaten on 13 points. They will be led by their striker pair of Shakira Douglas and Shade Berry. Real Mona, on the other hand, has managed 1 win and 2 draws to be fourth with 5 points. The two will meet once again, this time at the Alpha Boys Institute in the opening game of a doubleheader starting at 1 p.m. Second place Cavalier, who are on 9 points, will take on bottom place UA Women's in the second game, which starts at 3:30 p.m. Cavalier are also unbeaten after winning twice while recording 3 drawn encounters. One of those draws was against UA, who has only 1 point this season. In the zone's other match, Portland's Wi-Fi United will look to complete the double over St. Thomas's Proven Girls when they meet in a 3:30 p.m. encounter at Carter Park. Wi-Fi won their first meeting 2-0. Over in Zone B, defending champions Fraser's Whip, who are on the hunt for a 6th straight win, will be looking for the double over Los Perfectos this season. Fraser's Whip, who defeated Los Perfectos 3-0 in the first round, will travel to Brooks Park in Mandeville for the 3:30 engagement. The champions has the league's top scorer in Christina Salmon with 11 goals. They are the only team to take points from Los Perfectos, who have won all 4 games after that opening round defeat. Los Perfectos, whose captain Vanessa Reed is second on the goal-scoring charts with 9 goals, will hope that they can slow down the progress of the champions. Third place, Federal United from St. Catherine, who are on 9 points, will hope to repeat their 1-0 victory over the pointless Real Mabay when they meet at the Spanish Town Prison Oval at 3:30 p.m. Fifth place, Malgully will look to overturn their first round 1-0 defeat to 4th place Springers United when they clash at the Malgully Community Centre at 3:30 p.m. Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.